We are having close to 400 employees in our factory. We are running 24/7. We are doing close to 16,000 tons of steel, cut and bend in from this factory to all the sites all over UAE. September of this year, we are starting up another factory in Kizad, where our production capacity will go double, which will be 30,000 tons per month. We are also coming up with our own rolling mill from 2027, producing close to 0.6 million ton of steel. We are doing continuous backward integration to support our internal constructions by achieving the quality and also timely delivery, which is most important in this all the projects. Timely delivery means timely handover.